Hello students, in this audio presentation I am going to solve previous year questions from the topic inversion layer and stability. So let's start with the very first question. So the type 1 question is related to inversion layer, and the question is, at a given urban location the temperature at an elevation of 25 meter above ground is 15 degrees Celsius. If the inversion conditions prevail and the environmental lapse rate is 1.25 degrees Celsius per 100 meter, the temperature at an elevation of 200 meter will be. And the options for this question is 12.5 degrees Celsius, option 2, 17.5 degrees Celsius, option 3, 12.75 degrees Celsius, option 4, 17.25 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer for this question is 17.25 degrees Celsius. Before moving to the solution part, let's clear two concepts in this question. What exactly is inversion of temperature? So we'll first see what is the normal behavior of temperature with height. What is the relation of temperature as we move up with the altitude, with increasing altitude or increasing height? What happens is, in normal condition temperature decreases, but in an inversion condition what happens is, when we up move up or move to higher altitude, with increasing height temperature increases. This is the case of inversion of temperature, whereas this is a normal conditions. And along with this we have to understand what exactly is environmental lapse rate. It is simply the ELR is that is environmental lapse rate is simply the rate at which temperature changes with height in the atmosphere. That is the rate of change of temperature, that is rate of change of temperature with height. So this is environmental lapse rate, and the reversal of the common normal phenomena is known as inversion. So let's move to the solution part of this question. So in this question, what is given in this question is that temperature at an elevation of 25 meter above ground is 15 degrees Celsius. Okay. So, and in this question the ELR is 1.25 degree Celsius per 100 meter. This is the ELR, and so we have to calculate what will be the temperature at the height of 200 meter. We have to calculate this temperature. What will be this? So basically what happened is, the rate of change is 1.25 centimeter, degrees Celsius, 1.25 degrees Celsius with per 100 meter. As you can see, per 100 meter there is change in temperature of 1.25 degrees Celsius, and we have to calculate at the height of 200 meters. So the rate will be 1.25 for the first 100 meter and 1.25 degrees Celsius for the second 100 meter. So what we will get is 2.50, and the temperature above ground of 25 meter was 15 degrees Celsius. So we'll add this 15 degrees Celsius, the current temperature, with this with this temperature obtained at 200 meter, that will be equal to 17.50 degree Celsius. Hence, you can easily solve this question based on the very simple concept. What is inversion, and what is in ELR, and the rate of what is ELR. So this is how we'll solve this question. It is a very simple question. It has been asked twice or thrice in the previous year question paper. So let's move on to the second type of the question. So the type 2 is based on the second type of the question is based on the ambient temperature, and the question is, in tropical region an aircraft is flying at an altitude of 10 kilometer, and at that altitude the temperature is minus 40 degrees Celsius. What is the ambient temperature on the ground? And the options for this question is 24 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, and 20 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer for this question is 24 degrees Celsius. In the given question, the temperature at an altitude of 10 kilometer is equal to minus 40 degrees Celsius. It is given in the question itself. Now what we have to basically now we have to remember a value of environmental lapse rate, that is the rate of change of temperature with height, how the rate is how the temperature changes with height, and the value for this is, the theoretical value for ELR is, it changes with 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. So so basically at the height of 10 kilometer, here the ELR will be, if the rate of change of the temperature is 6.5, and we have to calculate it for the for 10 kilometers, so we'll simply multiply this by 6.5 into 10. So what will be obtain is 65 degrees Celsius temperature at a height of 10 kilometer. Now as given in the question that the temperature at this height is minus 40, so we'll add both temperature, that is this 65 degrees Celsius degree Celsius, and the resultant of this will be 25 degree Celsius. And in the question you will see that there is not an option, there will be no option that is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. So what we have to do is we have to choose the answer which is closest to 25 degrees Celsius, and in the question you will see that 24 degrees Celsius is closest to 25 degrees Celsius. Hence the correct answer for this question will be 24 degrees Celsius. This is the answer. And in this question you have to remember one value, that is the value of this ELR, which is 6.5 degree Celsius per kilometer, and you can easily solve this question. So let's move on to the third type of the question, that is how to calculate the virtual temperature. of a moist air parcel. So the question is, question 3, a moist air parcel of 24 degrees Celsius has a mixing ratio of 10 gram per kg. Its virtual temperature is, and the options for this question is 25.81 degrees Celsius, option 2 20.68 degrees Celsius, option 3 31.25 degrees Celsius, option 4 28.12 degrees Celsius, and the answer for this question is 25.81 degrees Celsius. Now let's see how we will solve this. We will solve this question using this relation, which is the virtual temperature is equal to temperature, the given temperature plus mixing ratio, and divided by 6. So the formula will be the virtual temperature is equal to the given temperature plus the mixing ratio, that is MR, divided by 6, and the given value for the temperature is 24 degrees Celsius, and the mixing ratio in the given value of mixing ratio is 10, which is divided by 6, which is equal to 24 degrees Celsius plus 10 is divided by 6, which is equal to 1.66, and is equal to 25.66 degree Celsius, and this is not the option which is given in the question. So we'll select the closest option to this, and the closest is 25.81 degree Celsius. And this is the correct answer for this question. And one very important thing about this relation is that it will never give you an exact answer for this question. It will always give you an approximate value for the virtual temperature, and what you have to do is you have to choose the closest answer which you have obtained. So just like in this question, if I have obtained 25.66, so I'll see which is the closest, which option is closest to 2.55 degrees Celsius, and by this you can easily solve this question. It has been asked in 4 or 5 times, I think 4 or 5 times in previous year question paper, and it's a very simple formula. You can easily remember the formula and you can easily solve this question. Thank you very much.